Today's verses are about how God and Jesus will abide in us and we will abide in them when we believe in Jesus and obey Him and love one another. Jesus said, "If anyone loves me, he will keep my word, and my Father will love him, and we will come to him and make our abode with him." This is His commandment, that we believe in the name of His Son, Jesus Christ, and love one another, just as He commanded us. The one who keeps His commandments abides in Him, and He in him. We know by this that He abides in us, by the Spirit whom He has given us. If we love one another, God abides in us, and His love is perfected in us. By this we know that we abide in Him and He in us, because He has given us of His Spirit. We have seen and testified that the Father has sent the Son to be the Savior of the world. Whoever confesses that Jesus is the Son of God, God abides in him, and